What does shutdown mean? A shutdown of the water cycle spells drought and climate catastrophes. In terms of logistics, it means critical disruptions in shipping and supply. For the stock exchange, it's billions of dollars in losses and inevitable economic crises. For business, it's a disaster. In 2020, 1 in 5 companies failed to maintain the same quality of service and process continuity when transitioning to remote working. In many cases, the disruptions were caused by cybersecurity incidents. Today, 3/4 of companies are not confident in their cybersecurity posture. How to prevent a digital shutdown?